You may have heard of Flutter, and that's probably the reason why you are here, wanting to explore or run in depth with the famous Google framework. Whatever the reason is, you first need to set up a development environment for it. In this video we will be setting up a Windows machine for exactly this purpose. All links used in this video will be provided in the description of this video. Open the links in your favorite browser and download the installers for your various platforms, in this case Windows. For Flutter, navigate to flutter.dev/docs/getstarted/install to download the SDK for your operating system. Once downloaded, create a new folder in your root directory of your C drive, name it src, and extract the Flutter SDK into the folder. While the extraction is ongoing, let's install the other needed software. If you don't have Git Bash downloaded already from the links provided. Once downloaded, double-click the installer to start the installation process. You can just leave the default configuration as it is and install the software. You can check for updates daily if you want. Let's now install Visual Studio Code. The link for this is provided in the description as well. Once downloaded, double-click the installer to start the installation process. Just follow the prompt and you should be good. After the installation, let's install the Flutter plugin from the extension store. This package depends on the Dart plugin as well, and so you may need to install it manually if it doesn't install by default with the Flutter plugin. After the extraction, open to the bin directory and copy its path. Then open your Start menu and search for Environment and select Edit Environment Variables. Then click the Edit Environment Variables and add the copied path to the path in the User and System variables. Then open Git Bash by right-clicking on your screen and selecting Git Bash here. Then type in Flutter version to check the version of Flutter and Dart you have installed. Then check for connected devices with Flutter devices. Then finally, and the most important command to run is Flutter Doctor. You may get a license error in the terminal. Just read the instructions and accept the licenses with the Flutter command provided in your Bash terminal. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support this channel. Thank you. And see you next time.